Hello everybody, Eva from Focus Machinery again. Today I'm going to introduce our one set of packing machine which has the counting function and packing function, and it's easy to operate. There are two sets of counting bowls here. Customer need to do is just pour the product into these bowls. One bowl for one type of item. This bowl is to count the items based on the target quantity which you set on the touch screen. Sensor here to count the items, finish the counting, and the product will come into this bag format and then seal the bags. And here you can see that is an alarm device when there is low products in the counting bowl or there is lack of fuel in this packing machine. This alarm device will alarm and to remind the worker to add the film or pour the material into this bowl. Because the easy operation, most of our customers really like this machine. You can see in our workshop, most of them are this style counting machine here. Okay, nice.